Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to set your favorite ringtone in your phone. So let's start. And don't forget to like and share my video, and if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. First you have to install an application from Play Store, which is MOBCUP, Mopcup Ringtones and Wallpaper. I have already installed it, so I will open it. Mopcup is a secure and true app. So you can search ringtones here. So here are the results of the search Dengue Chika song. So you need to download that song. To download it, click on that. Then you will find a download option. Click on that. Set as ringtone. Continue. Yeah, ringtone set successfully. Just a minute, I will show you the proof. Open settings. Scroll down, you will find an option sound and vibration. Click on that. Yeah, incoming call ringtone Dengue Chika. Custom ringtone Dengue Chika. Yeah guys. So from this way you can set your favorite ringtone in your phone. If you liked my video, don't forget to like and share. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon and then click on all. You will get all notifications of my channel. Thank you.